guys, we got an exciting car for you guys today. We got this 1974 Series 3 Land Rover 88. It's not your ordinary one though. This car is, it's insane. It's got so much stuff going on, I don't know even where to start. Our friends at Falcon in Germany, Falcon Design has restored this car from the ground up. They actually built this car for the Miami car show and it won first place. This thing won all the trophies and it's just so unique. It's got a little 2.25 gas motor in it, a 4-speed manual. It makes 73 horsepower. So you're not gonna win any races. It's not like me driving the Demons or anything like that, but it's a fun beach cruiser. Like if you wanna go to the beach and just hang around, or you live in a community where you wanna go to the restaurants and just have open air, what a perfect car. It's a truly a nice Miami Beach, California, anywhere on the beach, anywhere in the world. Super cool little car, little wood trims. They used this white, pearl white from BMW on the paint that is beautiful. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but totally gorgeous. I know that this somehow comes off. I have to figure that out. If I think you lift this somehow. And then this comes off. Then you're really going in the safari. But look at the colors, look how bright it is. I mean, how much fun is this? You pull up places, just a conversation piece, right? Everybody wants to check it out. I can't even imagine. I'm actually excited to drive it. Not excited about climbing hills with it or anything, or trying to race anybody. Definitely the film crew today is not gonna have a hard time keeping up with me, so they should be right next to me the whole time. But super cool truck. Let's see, let's pop the hood on this thing. I gotta put the windshield back up. Let's see, this motor. They did a really beautiful job on this. Look at this cute little thing. Beautiful. And everything is brand new. They went through the whole truck. It just looks great. It really does. They did a great job. And then they literally went and painted underneath the vehicle. You have palm trees, birds, coconuts, I don't know, they got all kind of stuff. The whole frame is painted. It's actually kind of cool. Again, maybe we should try to pull up into a gas station or something. I bet somebody's gonna come and talk to us. I mean, this has gotta be a huge conversation piece. Exciting. Let's look around the back. And you can tell they built it for Miami because they put Miami on the chassis. By the way, this car is for sale. We can ship it anywhere in the world. They brought us to see it, and we're like, man, this is a cool truck. We loved it. We asked the guys to film it, and they said, if you guys want to sell it, we'll let you sell it. If somebody does not want their car, and you live in LA, or you live in North Carolina on the beach somewhere, and you don't want Miami, we can probably remove that easily. Yeah, super cool. I'm gonna check this out. Look at that. Take all your friends with you. It's got seat belts back here. Pretty cool. Probably could put a step. Hard to get up in here, but pretty cool. I love this. This is definitely a truck I could see throwing my dogs back here and going for a little cruise. And they're probably gonna love it. Hopefully they don't jump out though. But yeah, this is super cool. I'm gonna take it on a quick drive. We're not gonna go through it. It's just a Series 3. We just wanted to show it because it's so unique. I've never seen anybody paint the frame like this and do all the artwork. This guys did a great job. The Falcon guys built a lot of different Defenders. We'll probably have more on the channels of their builds. Obviously we build Defenders as well, but we just appreciate cool builds. We don't feel this is just so different. We'll never build anything like this. We go for the power, we're putting V8s in them. We're doing a lot of carbon work, but this is just a cool truck. I would definitely love to have this for the weekend. I'm lucky enough to live on the beach area, so I would I would love to take this for the weekend and drive around and show this off and throw my dogs in it. So super cool. I want to go drive it. I haven't driven it yet. But yeah, let's go for a drive, guys. Turn signals are on the right on this one. That takes a second to get used to. But make sure I got plenty of room. See, people already giving me thumbs up here. This is definitely a conversation piece. Make sure I have enough room. Pretty comfortable, feels good. Clutch feels nice. Huh? This is a 74 Series 3 Land Rover. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. 74, 1974. Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's pretty cool. I can't race you though, I'm too slow. We're gonna hold up traffic. I'll be doing a burnout by now, but I don't think I can with this one, guys, so sorry about that, but go get some Starbucks. One thing maybe I would add is like little cup holders maybe for the Starbucks runs. So here the only thing I would say while I was standing in line is that super cool car, I love it. If I built one for myself, I will probably put power steering on it, and I will probably not put an LS3 or an LT1 because it'll probably be actually too much power, and I can't believe I'm even saying that. I will probably put like a Ecotec or one of the GM ones, smaller motors, and throw it in here. Maybe keep the manual, be fun. Maybe just get a little, you know, maybe 300 horse instead of 73 horse would be nice. I don't think we need anything with 600, 700 horse in this thing, but I'll take 300, 325 for something like this. It'll be a lot of fun. Just get it on your own way. I don't mind the manual at all, but you can even do an automatic. But a manual is still cool. But I would keep it all vintage looking, just make it a sleeper, just a little nicer, not even nicer, just a little more powerful engine if it was my truck. But super cool truck, I love it. Yeah, I love to have a venti ice matcha green tea latte with almond milk. It's gonna be interesting to try to shift this bad boy and steer the steering wheel with the cup in my hand, but I'm gonna do my best. We've had plenty of people want to talk to us and thumbs up. I needed that. Now I gotta figure out how to turn this wheel with the Starbucks in my hand. Woo. right. That was fun. I'll tell you what, guys, if you're gonna drive this in the valley heat in LA, definitely need more sunblock and a hat. But on the beach area, this is a blast. I enjoyed this truck. Everything ran fine. No issues. Like I said, this truck is for sale. We can ship it worldwide. Message us if anybody's interested. But I just thought it was a cool truck. I don't know if you guys saw on the video, people at the light trying to talk to me, thumbs up all the way from 18-wheel drivers to a guy in a Prius. And I told him, hey, I can't even catch up with you. And he started laughing. He goes, no, me either. But I think he was still a little faster than me. Super cool truck. We appreciate you guys. If you don't follow us, please do. We can use all the help. And hope to see you guys on the next episode. Thanks, guys.